Let's start with 9th of June, Tuesday analysis. So as discussed on Monday, as expecting a FPG inside these three candles with price not yet sweeping this high. So for me, DXY should sweep this to the upside, sorry, to the downside, and then this should be the target for this move, this high. And once we break out of this, this is the main target. So what I think today's move should be, we we are in a 4-hour FPG and we have a FPG here. So what I would do is I would wait for price to come, sweep this, give me a C2 on 4-hour like this. So I can trade it till this high. This will be a common theme in the all of the USD pairs. Or else if it breaks down completely, then it's invalid. Or if it goes up without sweeping this, it's also invalid. So the only move for today will be for the price to sweep this and then go up, forming a C2 or C3 here. So my bias is long for DXY. For AU, we still have this target open. As discussed yesterday, there is a FPG. The best move will be price to come, sweep yesterday's high, tap into this FPG, and move down to this level. How can we do that? We can see that we have an FPG here, so which is already a bearish FPG. So the best move would be price to come, form a C2 or a C3 here, and then we can short it or sell it till these levels. Why this works is everyone who sold yesterday, most of their stop losses are over this. So price will go up, manipulate it, take out the stop losses. And because we have an FPG, there was a big downside, sell side volume. So we're expecting price to go and take out this liquidity. So the best move will be price comes here, gives a C2 or C3, we can sell it till this level. So I'm short on this. Okay, EJ, as we discussed, this was a good liquidity level, which it sweep. It formed a C2. And today we see that on 4-hour we have an FVG with a C2 close. So this, if we go to 15-minute, we can see there's a CISD as well. So this is a really good buy till here or something, or just simple 2.5 or 2-hour, let's say 2.5 hour. Yeah, like this. But we have to keep in mind that there is this liquidity level, which price can go and sweep. Price can go like this, sweep and come down again. So if we buy here around this level, which is around 1.2, we go break even. And then if price decides to go up, it's fine. If it comes down, we are at zero risk. So I did not take this one because it's out of my trading time, what I'll do is if this candle closes at as a C3 on 4 hour, then I'll go look for 1 hour if there is a FPG, which there is. And if price gives me a C2 from 1 hour, so what I'm expecting is price to go like this. So if I get a C2 here on hourly inside an FPG of hour, then I can long this. But I have to be careful of this level. So I'm keeping this in longs. EU will be inverse of DXY. So if DXY, we are hoping for the price to sweep and go up. So EU should sweep this and go down. There was this liquidity level, which price sweep and formed a C2. So technically, we should be bullish. But on 4 hour, we have a CISD as well. This is a CISD. But I do not see any FPG, any bullish FPG here. There's no bullish FPG. We are in a bearish FPG. So maybe this is a fake out. Price could go back down again. So what I'm hoping is price to sweep this, give me a C2 or a C3, just like AU or DXY, and then short tail here. Why this works is on daily, we have a FPG, bearish FPG. People who sell yesterday, their stop losses are above daily high, which is this level. And today we are expecting price to go sweep this and come down again. You can confirm that there is a FPG on 4 hour time frame as well and a high. So if price gives a C2 here, sweeps this, gives a C2 which is inside an FPG, I'm expecting price to go and take out this low. So this will be a drawn liquidity, a DOL. So I'm expecting to see bearish sell here. Okay, in GJ, we sweep this as discussed on yesterday's analysis video. We gave a C2. There's no FPG, there's no liquidity at all. You can see the candles are dead, 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 dead. If this would have been a really good sweep, we can see price acting like this. So like price swept this and instantly we came down with the FPG forming. But there's no FPG here, there's no liquidity. Sorry, there's no volume or no momentum. So what I'm expecting is same as other pairs. I'm expecting this to sweep. I'm expecting this FPG to hold, and I'm expecting price to come into this 4 hour zone, give me a C2 here, and then move towards, move downside, move to the downside. So this is a really good, this will be a really good sell move. Why? Because there's an FPG, there's a sweep, and there will be a C2 or a C3. So I am overall to the downside. In this, we are a little bit shy of this level, did not sweep it yet. I'm expecting the same here. Sweep of this because we are in an FPG. Price goes up, sweeps this, and comes down. On 4 hour, we are inside in 4 hour FPG. There's no bullish FPG. That means there's no momentum yet. There's no bullish momentum yet. So even though there is a C2 on daily, but there's no bullish FPG yet. So it confirms that there is no momentum. People are not willing to buy it enough yet. So there's a FPG, there's a high, we go up, sweep it, and we get a C2 or a C3, and then sell it to this level. Same as EU, and opposite of DXY. Yeah, this, as discussed on yesterday's analysis, as I said, if price goes here first and then down, I won't buy it, which it did. Price remained at this level for a long time. It gave a strong downside, but then it came. There's no setup for me today. There's no C2, there's no C3, there's nothing forming. And there's a liquidity level nearby. So there's nothing for me. Although, if this level was not here, imagine this level not being here, so let's delete it. Then I could do the same as others, wait for this sweep buy because there's a tiny bit of FPG here and buy till this level. Why it works? On 4 hour, we are in a big FPG zone. There's this low, price comes here, sweeps it and goes up and gives a C2. We can buy and it goes up to this level. Although we are at a level, I am not so sure about this. We have other good pairs, so it's better to not look at this for me. So I'll skip it for today. Okay, same as others. We are still far from this liquidity. There's a FPG. I am expecting price to come sweep this and go up. This setup only works if there is a FPG in between. Whoever bought here, whoever buy yesterday, they put their stop loss here. We are in an uptrend. So what I'm expecting is price to come down, sweep their stop losses and go up. We are also in a 4-hour FVG, which adds to the story. What I'm expecting is price to come down, sweep this level, form a bullish C2 or C3, whichever works, and then buy it to the upside. We have a lot of range here. We have lots of range. So this is for buys. UJ, I see nothing. It's just up, down, up, down, up, and there's no FVG, there's no C2, there's no C3, there's nothing. This is the closest liquidity level to the upside. I'm expecting price to eventually reach this and then react from somewhere from here, but I don't know how it will go there. Maybe it will come down to this level and go, maybe it can directly go up. So there's no setup in this. There's no C2, C3 to the bullish side. There's no FVG. There's no point of interest here. For gold, still far from this. We got a C2, but we are in a bearish FVG. So it will be same. I'm expecting price to go to this level, sweep this and go down. Let's check on 4 hour. Yes, we have a bearish FVG. We have a local high. We have a swing high where people keep their stop losses. What I'm expecting is price to reach this, give me a C2 or a C3 so I can sell it till this level. We have a lots of range. Yeah. So this is also a really good sell. So as you can see, if DXY has a good bullish setup, then all the pairs that have USD at the end will have a really good bearish setup. And all the pairs that have USD in the front, they'll have a good bullish setup, which we can confirm. Also, we can confirm is all the pairs are giving similar setups. They all have a FVG on daily, and we are expecting price to sweep yesterday high slash low, which is also a FPG on 4H time frame combined with swing points. This is a really, really powerful setup. So we are expecting today for the price to sweep. This only works if we sweep yesterday's high, as discussed. Sweep this high and go down. Sweep this high and go. The only opposite thing is EG, which I already discussed, because there was a bullish FEG, which can tell me that okay, there was some momentum. There was some bullish momentum here. But again, there is a liquidity level here. So I won't be surprised if price goes here and then dumps to the downside and then goes downside. So if I buy here, I'll be careful, really, really careful of this level because GJ is also giving me the same bearish setup. So I'll be really careful. I'll just keep it here to remind me. And let me also put it like this. Okay. So now if I'll buy, I'll be either my targets will be here or my break-even point will be here. So nothing on UCAD because we are at this liquidity level and I don't even that most topmost liquidity level is really close. And if you can see, price is just going up. It just keep going up. There was a small retracement here. There was a tiny bit of consolidation here, but we did not get a big retracement yet. So this will be a really good level to see. If you get something like this, or even a good momentum downside candle, we can expect a retracement till let's say this FVG, and then we can continue going up, is what I expect. So because we are so close to this level, so close to the liquidity point, I'm not interested in buying it right now. I was much interested in buying here. So all the setups today are basically this sweep of yesterday high into the FVG. If if we can, let's look here. Okay, there's an FVG. All the people who buy yesterday, their stop losses are below this. Let's go to 4 hour. Okay, there's an FVG. People buy, their stop losses are below this. So what to expect? To expect price to come down, sweep this, give a C2, C2 like this, and then we can expect to go up. So let's replay. See, inside a 4 hour FVG, we sweep yesterday's low, which is also a clear swing point. This is not just a low, this is a swing point. Price tried to go up from here, so it's a swing point. We got a C2. So it's such a good buy setup here. And we can target these highs, these liquidity points on the daily time frame. This one. So if we play this is the exact setup I'm expecting from all the pairs today. This is the exact setup. This is the move we get. So daily FVG, sweep of yesterday low, which should be combined with FPG on 4 hour and a swing point. And then we can expect the high. So this was a really good trade, but I won't take it here because we are so close to this liquidity point. Again, UJ, I don't see anything. It's just Moving really slow, no momentum at all. The best trade was here, this one. We have a C2. This is a C2 candle inside an FVG, and then we get a C3, C4, and then we move up to these levels. So best trade was here, but now I don't see anything. So this was my analysis for 9th of June. I'm expecting DXY to go up, which confirms my analysis that all the other pairs will go down and UCHF will go up.